Annyeonghaseyo, Rowan.
안녕하세요.
So, Rowan, you already submitted your multiplication since you failed the last monthly donation. So, it's a good thing na nakasubmit ka on time. So, now let me test you again. Rowan, 6, 7,
42.
5, 9,
45.
9, 8,
48.
9, 8,
73.
3, 7,
21.
4, 4,
16.
3, 9,
27.
2, 8,
16.
5, 5.
25.
So, you passed. I hope next time dili na mo failed ha. So, keep practicing or reviewing the multiplication, okay? Bye bye, Rowan.
Bye bye.